Your eye color isn't just a random genetic trait. It's actually a biological key that unlocks hidden secrets about your personality, your health, and even your future. What most people don't realize is that the color of your eyes influences everything, from how you handle stress to how your brain processes information, and even how long you might live. Scientists have discovered that your eye color creates specific patterns in your nervous system that affect your behavior in ways you never imagined. By the end of this video, you'll understand what your specific eye color reveals about your unique biological makeup and the hidden advantages you've been carrying your entire life. Let's start with brown eyes. Nature's ultimate protection system. Over 70% of the world's population has brown eyes, and there's a powerful reason why. That rich, dark color comes from high levels of melanin, a natural compound that acts like built-in sunglasses. Brown eyes absorb up to 90% of incoming light, protecting the delicate structures inside your eye from damage. But here's what's fascinating. Not all brown eyes are the same. Scientists have identified 7 distinct types of brown eyes, each with unique characteristics. The rarest is amber eyes, found in less than 5% of people worldwide. True amber eyes have a solid golden copper color with almost no variation. These eyes contain very little dark melanin, but high levels of a different pigment called lipochrome. People with amber eyes often display remarkable focus and intensity. Research suggests that amber-eyed individuals tend to be natural leaders and show higher levels of confidence in social situations. However, this same intensity can sometimes be perceived as intimidating by others, since amber eyes are so uncommon that they naturally draw attention. The most common brown variant is espresso-colored eyes. Here's where it gets interesting. A study from Georgia State University discovered that people with dark brown eyes have a unique relationship with alcohol. They actually become intoxicated faster than people with lighter eyes. But this turns out to be a protective advantage. Because their bodies signal intoxication earlier, people with brown eyes are statistically less likely to develop alcohol dependency. Now let's talk about blue eyes, one of the most striking genetic variations in human biology. Blue eyes contain almost no melanin at all. Instead, they get their color through light scattering, the same physical principle that makes the sky appear blue. When light hits the low melanin structure of a blue iris, shorter wavelengths scatter back out while longer ones pass through. This unique structure gives blue-eyed people some surprising advantages. With minimal melanin blocking light entry, blue eyes allow more photons to reach the retina, potentially providing better vision in dim lighting conditions. This might explain why blue eyes became more common in regions with long winters and limited daylight hours. However, blue eyes come with a significant trade-off. Without melanin's natural protection, blue-eyed individuals are much more sensitive to bright light and UV radiation. They're also at higher risk for certain eye conditions later in life, making sun protection absolutely essential. Green eyes are even more remarkable. They're found in only 2% of the global population, making them the rarest common eye color on Earth. Green eyes require an incredibly precise genetic combination. They need just enough melanin to avoid being blue, but not so much that they become brown. Plus, they need additional yellow pigments called lipochrome to create that distinctive green hue. What makes green eyes truly special is their instability. Green eyes are chemically reactive to environmental changes, often appearing to shift between different shades depending on lighting, clothing colors, and even emotions. This chameleon-like quality has made green eyes legendary throughout history, often associated with mystery and supernatural abilities in various cultures. Gray eyes are extraordinarily rare, appearing in less than 3% of people worldwide. They contain even less melanin than blue eyes, but the way light scatters creates that distinctive steel-like appearance. Gray eyes can shift subtly between silver, slate, and even hints of green depending on conditions. Gray-eyed individuals often display remarkable emotional stability and analytical thinking patterns. Some researchers believe the neural pathways that create gray eyes may also influence personality traits related to balance and objectivity. Hazel eyes are the ultimate shapeshifters. Unlike other eye colors, hazel eyes actually change appearance throughout the day. They contain intermediate levels of melanin that interact differently with various types of light, causing them to appear green in some conditions, brown in others, and golden in still others. About 5% of people have hazel eyes, and they represent incredible adaptability. Hazel eyes provide moderate UV protection while maintaining good light sensitivity, making them well-suited for varied lighting conditions. People with hazel eyes often show remarkable flexibility in their thinking patterns and problem-solving approaches. Finally, we have heterochromia, the condition where someone has two different colored eyes, or distinct color variations within a single eye. This affects less than 1% of the population, making it extremely rare. Heterochromia occurs when melanin production varies between eyes, or within different sections of the same iris dot throughout history. People with heterochromia have been considered special or mystical, perhaps because their unique appearance breaks the symmetry we typically expect. Today, we understand it's simply a fascinating variation in how individual genetic instructions are expressed. So, what does your eye color actually mean for your health and daily life? Brown eyes generally provide the best natural protection against light-related damage and may correlate with better stress management due to their melanin content. Blue and gray eyes often come with enhanced sensitivity to light and environmental changes, but may provide advantages in low-light situations. Green and hazel eyes offer adaptive advantages, changing their protective qualities based on environmental conditions. All eye colors come with their own unique benefits and considerations for maintaining optimal eye health throughout life. Your eye color also influences how others perceive you. Studies show that people make instant judgments based on eye color, often associating darker eyes with trustworthiness and lighter eyes with attractiveness or uniqueness. Understanding these perceptions can help you navigate social situations more effectively. The most important thing to remember is that your eye color is a window into your unique biological makeup. Each color represents a different strategy for processing light, protecting vision, and interacting with your environment. Whether you have common brown eyes or rare heterochromia, your eyes are perfectly designed for your individual needs. So next time you look in the mirror, Appreciate the remarkable biological engineering staring back at you. Your eye color isn't just beautiful. It's a sophisticated system that's been protecting and serving you your entire life. Now I want to hear from you. What's your eye color? And which hidden secret surprised you the most? Drop your eye color in the comments below and tell me if this video changed how you think about yourself. And if you discovered something amazing about your own biology today, hit that like button to help this reach others who might be curious about their own genetic secrets.